So today is Friday, guys, and yeah, I decided to make a vlog every Friday na lang para ma-summarize na ako akong experience for the whole week. Og, yeah, for now, um, let me think of what I can share. Well, yeah, I can't think of anything, so I'm just going to do it later. So I'm just going to the grocery store na Chinese grocery store diri, but napod sila yung mga Filipino products na baligya. So makapod ako unahan ron og yeah, we'll see unsa akong mapalit. Super products. There's peanut too, and there's there's one more. Oh, I think this is good for cooking egg. Yeah, I think we'll get just one and let's see. There's also green spices here, vegetables, but unfortunately I don't know how to cook it, so I'm gonna stick with the ready to cook meal. Let's this one. This is $5 plus tax. Okay, so I'm just hand holding the camera now. So if you notice, medyo nakurog. But yeah, so man ako og grocery. Let me see. If you can see it. Yeah, I'll just say it to you. It's not focusing. So yeah, it's $16 for those groceries na akong ipalit. Yeah, the next thing that I will be buying is there's also like I think this is I thought it's a Filipino store too, but it's not. So the next thing that I will need is soft drinks, and I'm just going to buy it in a dollar store. Okay, murag medyo barato rito. So this is my life every Friday after my work. Lahos ko pamalit og mga groceries para sa weekend pwede na kuli mo lakaw. So naaraw ko pamalit sa hot sauce o Pepsi. No, I'm just gonna. Okay, so I'm just finished with the grocery, and that is very stressful. So I bought three noodles, um, duha ka, isa ka spam, um, mga, basta the total of the grocery that I did today is 25 bucks. So, we convert na sa Philippines, I don't know pila, but yeah, ano siya. And karon, instead of like taking a bus, because right just across the street is the bus stop, and instead of taking a bus, I'm just gonna walk because, again, as I told you, past few days na akong nag-testing ko vlog. Here's St. John. You don't usually get this kind of weather. Nindot yung weather karon. Bigid siya bugnaw. It's 14 degrees, I think. But di ka siya bugnaw compared sa mga the past few days. So, start the walking. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Basically, this is my Friday. I'm gonna share to you later about some useful information na inyong makuha para makaanhin mo Canada. Thank you.